Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be planning in my Hobonichi Techo original 2022, the A6, not the cousin. And this is the year, obviously split into two sections. And today we're going to be working on just setting up my week for May 16th to May 22nd. And so if you don't know, the A6 size of this is just the month sections and then the individual days, and it's smaller. I'll compare it to the A5 for you, and that's a page of the A5, whereas this is just the A6, so it's definitely littler, but it works great for me. I have two of them actually, and I use one of them for like health, wellness, and keeping track of the health issues that I have and the weather and stuff like that, because that's a contributor. And then I have another one that I use. So anyways, so I loved this past week. I haven't felt doing this a couple days early, but forgive me, I have to get it done, otherwise it's not gonna happen this weekend. I put this on all the days last week, and I really loved the washi tape, and so we are totally gonna do that again. And it was fun and pretty, and I think I'm gonna continue doing it because I can bulk this one up and it's okay, because it's a half a year. It doesn't matter. And even, I will say, even if you have a full year in one book, I did it. It does bulk it up in areas, like, for sure, but I still loved it. So I don't know, to each their own. I've done stickers down here, and it's not like the Japanese is bad. It doesn't make any sense to me, but it's very it's just there, kind of blah, I guess. And so I love having the washi tape to just add some color and make it happy. So do you do what works for you. I don't know what else you would do with the area, honestly. I guess I should ask people, like, what do you do with that area? I think most people just leave it, but I don't know. All right, let's put this one out more. I'm digging the florals. It's May. Florals in May are my heart. This is a cute one. It's a little bit more like muted, but it's still cute. And like, what I love is this doesn't have to be perfect. It can be however you want it to look, like matchy or just kind of eclectic. And I would say this one's very much eclectic compared to some. But okay, so I thought we would try to use the teeny florals, which is big, but I wanted to see what was in here because I didn't look ahead of time. And maybe it will be too much florals on florals. But I love these, so maybe we could use these on a couple of the pages. So this one, like, says, "You got this." And, you know, if I just stick it, like, I want enough room, so obviously I'm trying not to use up all of the page and making it beautiful, but I definitely love adding some things. So, embrace today, that's cute. I like this, "You got this," that's cute. I think too, if you want to put washi tape and a lot of stickers, just remember not to always put them in the same place. Like, obviously down here you have to, but if you kind of put it throughout the pages, you'll find at least that you have a little more less bulk in just one area, and yeah, that helps me. So hopefully it helps somebody else. This one's a pretty floral. We can add it right up here. And then this one, I'm gonna put down here. So on this particular one, I don't use the times so much, so it's not a huge deal for me to have it covered at all. For some, I could see it would be. But yeah, just do you. Okay. Okay, I really like this. I don't know if there's a spot for it. I should probably look before I take it off. But it says there's always a reason to smile. Oh yeah, Tuesday it is. Awesome. Okay, so now you can kind of see that's what I simply do. So I still have room for like the weather that I track and how I'm feeling and sleep and steps and activity for the day and just all that. And there's plenty of room for me to do it on these pages, which is why I love it. But I don't think, honestly, I would fill, if I used this in this one, it'd probably be, I'd have to write bigger, I guess. I don't know. So I really do love this size. So anyways, thanks for watching, you guys. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and we will see you again next time. Have a great day.